Well, folks, first thing we're going to do is glove up. And we're going to remove this guy. Don't have to worry, it's been sitting out a bit. Don't have to worry though, because it's probably 30 degrees, 35 in here. Here's what happens when it gets cold in the Arctic. Your olive oil turns to a solid. You know it's cold when olive oil freezes. So, gloved up. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up. It's got, I should drain it here. Drain some of this blood out. We got us a big old piece of meat there. Get some paper towels here. Plot it up a little bit. Let me see if I can get this camera on. There. Got this thing lined up a little bit. Alright, so pot, put stuff in, and let's see, I want a container, yeah, I'll just put some on a paper plate. Cut some up. Cut some off here for to make stir fry with later. So bones here, and let's slice down this thing. This meat is freaking cold. Whoa, it's cold. That's enough video. Alright folks, we've chopped up the meat, the pork shoulder. I put away some for another meal. There's our chopped up pork shoulder. I have some frozen chilies here. And these came from the can. We're going to chop them up and stick them in our chili burger there. The reason I froze them once I opened the can is because I found that if I don't freeze them, they tend to sit in the icebox and get moldy. So let's give them a quick chop and toss them in the pot. Alright, so those are done. each of these in there. We're gonna get a fire going and stick these puppies on there. I'm gonna put some spices in them. I'm gonna put some cumin in here and some serrano peppers and some jalapeno peppers. So, be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to chop some jalapenos up and some serranos. And if you love your spouse, wear gloves. If you love yourself, wear gloves. Because these can get awful hot. They're not the hottest peppers, but you get some of that juice on your pecker. If you go take a whiz or something, or wipe your butt with this these hot juices on there, you ain't gonna like it. So what I'm gonna do is cut the ends off. I'm only going to put one serrano in there. Chop them up. You could just chop them and stick them in there, but I find if you take the seeds out, it tends to add flavor, but not as much weakened hotness. You still get a good flavor. It's not that hard to do. You just slice them down center. Today is winter solstice, shortest day of the year. I think sun up today was at 10:15, and sundown is going to be like 3:20 or something like that. So what's that give us? Not very much sunlight. And serrano. I'm just gonna slice. It's trying to pull some of the seeds out. There's going to be some seeds in there. All right. So what we'll do now is just slice them up like this. It works very well. You get you a can of green enchilada sauce. And we're going to put that in there, dilute it with about a half can of water, and then we're going to start braising our pork till tender. It's going to take about 2 hours. Okay, so once we get it going, we'll bring you back to check it out. Stay tuned. Okay, we've chopped some garlic, and we're going to just 4 cloves of garlic. Toss that in the pot. We've got 2 large jalapenos, 1 serrano in there, and our garlic. We're going to put like a teaspoon of cumin in there, or half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin. There's a lot of meat in there. A lot of meat. That's about a teaspoon. Now we're going to put some water and some. We're going to open up this can of enchilada sauce we got here. You can see it. I don't know. might be able to. This is a large can. I think it's like, what would it be, about 12 ounces? I'll check it and see. It might be 14 or 16 here. Let's pour it in there. It's in, it's 12 ounces. Wait a minute, no. 28 ounces. 1 pound, 12 ounces. Or 793 grams. Okay, we put that in there. And then we'll put a couple cups of water. And then we're going to turn the freaker on. And let it bring it to a boil. And then we're going to reduce the heat to low and simmer for at least 2 hours until the meat is done. And you can tell the meat's done when it just pork tender falls apart. So I give it a quick stir. The old spooneroono. Get it all mixed in there. It's just some of that water gets down on the bottom. I could have turned this on and let that pork kind of start cooking, but I wanted to get everything in the pot. So I put it on high. I'm gonna sit here and watch it. And walk away from it, watch it. And get you some more water ready. I put like, almost 2 cups of water in there. But I might want to put a little bit more later on. It looks like it's drying out, so I'll go ahead and get some ready. And that's basically it. All we got to do is let time do its thing. And we'll let this cook. When my wife gets back from the store with all the other ingredients I need, I'll show you how to make a really kick-ass guacamole sauce to go with this, or with chips, or with anything. Basically, it's avocado, cilantro, hot peppers, and sour cream. It's really awesome. So stay tuned, we'll be back. You're watching Red Cabin Cooking. Next we're going to make some sauce to go on top of this stuff. Green sauce. And we're going to use an avocado, some jalapenos, serrano, some sweet peppers, and some garlic, and some cilantro. So you chop up your ingredients, and we're going to stick it all in a blender. There's our ingredients. There's a blender. And we'll put some green chilies in as well. Squeeze in your avocado, just half it, and just squish it in there. Finish it off with some sour cream. Next we're going to make some pico de gallo. Pico de gallo is just some more hot stuff. Alright, the next phase of our adventure is we're also, move my hair. We're also making some pico de gallo. In this bowl we've placed some chopped up onion, sweet onion, we got jalapeno, we got serrano, and we got, what is that stuff? Cilantro, right? Cilantro. You gotta have cilantro. Okay, and we're going to chop up some tomato, put it in there. The way we do this, I like to just slice it, core it there, get it cored out, and just do this kind of deal with it. I know they got like machines that do this stuff too. So I take it and go long ways, and I dice it. Do that with all of them. cooking. You're just going to dice it up like that. And put it in our bowl. Into that we're going to put a little lime juice. And some salt. Salt. And mix it up. There we have our pico de gallo, ready to go on top of our tortilla. Stay tuned for more. Well, there you have it, pico de gallo. We're ready to serve. We're going to plate up the chili Verdi on top of a nice warm tortilla, and we're going to put our green sauce and red sauce and our pico de gallo on there. Pour a cold beer. Get a couple handfuls of chips together. And we're ready to rock and roll. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's very easy to make, very satisfying on a cold winter day. Don't forget the beer. If you want to find more of me, check out these links and subscribe. Ciao. Take it easy. Bye-bye.